Hello guys, today we are going to learn egg manchurian. Look at the ingredients. It will become very tasty and in a very few minutes you can prepare this at home. It's very easy. Boil some oil. Add some chopped onions. Stir it. Boil the eggs. Cut it as per your requirement. Mix in the mixture you have made. And here you can add onion, green chilies. This is chopped garlic. Trust me, it's very nice and very tasty and healthy food at home. It depends on the oil you choose. We go for healthy oil. This is chopped bell pepper. It's same as the method you're seeing. Simple ingredients at home. This is vinegar. Mix the fried eggs. Add some sauce. It will be very tasty, guys. Simple and easy. You can make it at home. Homemade